Hi guys, the question that I'm getting these days is how shall we exactly start with our CAT preparation? And the question is coming from both the sort of students. Number one, those who have already done with CAT and want to repeat now, and also those who really want to give it a first kind of attempt for CAT. Now, see, like in this video, I'll tell you step by step what needs to be done as far as the exact way of CAT preparation. Now, I mean, like there are a lot of ways that you can actually kickstart with, and when you talk about CAT, the most suggestion I would say is that give a mock and then start. All right. Now that is something that people find little comfortable and they do it, no doubt about that. Now, see, when you talk about CAT preparation, I think there are a lot of things that people really think about. Like I'm getting calls from students. They ask me, what's going to be the percentile? This is my academics. Will I be able to get through? This is what I'm good at. This is what I'm really not good at. What are my chances to get into IM? X, Y, Z, and all that stuff. So, very healthy. All these things that we talk about, I think these all things are on a broader scale. Very healthy. The best thing, which I always advise to my students, all my toppers, right from 99.95 percentile in CAT 2019, वहाँ से लेके somebody who's at 99 percentile, right? I'll tell you the best thing or the exact way to kickstart your CAT preparation is not thinking about anything else in the world or not thinking about anything else about CAT, but pick up the topic and start preparation. Now listen to me very carefully. Now you might feel that, okay, we want to understand the score, we want to understand percentile, we want to understand colleges, blah blah blah. See, all these things will come a little bit later, because I believe strongly that your score and your percentile is nothing but it's a function of your topic preparation, and that's what is the crux. That's what is actually the crux. So this is my experience. So many years I've been teaching for CAT and all that. We do not focus more on topics. There are certain set of students, they do focus on a particular topic, but they do not kind of do those things which can help them. Now I'll give you an example. So I see a lot of people saying that, मैंने ये topics करे हैं, मुझे ये topics आते हैं, right? Now when you do those topics, right, in particular, you also need to understand what is the strategic approach towards that topic, right? Now when I say strategic approach towards that topic, इसका मतलब ये है, I see a lot of students, they spend round about 1.5 or 2 plus months on studying number system. Somebody like who is a non-engineer, somebody like, and it's not about non-engineer, there are engineers, even they struggle with couple of quant topics. So the point is that if you are preparing for a topic which does not have a maximum weightage in CAT, number system 2 se 3 question, then why do you want to spend 1.5 or 2 months on it? So that's the wrong preparation methodology. Now when we talk about topic, the second problem is that अगर हम quants के बारे में बात करें तो, sir, I would like to take a topic which I believe I am good at. Great, you can do so. It's something that can be advisable. That okay, if somebody says that I'm pretty good at geometry, shall I start with geometry? Yes, you can start with geometry, but you cannot prolong it. You cannot go with it like for the next 2-3 months. See, the best thing to do right now is to attack your fear. That's the most important thing that you guys need to do, because यार simple सी बात है, you have nothing to lose. We're in the month of March, we have certain days left. Even if you discount March, you've got April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. You've got round about 7 months. Even if you discount March and November month, in 7th months you can study a lot. The problem is that when we begin, we always take topics that we are comfortable with. What happens in the end, in the month of July and August, topics which are important and topics which are necessary for you all to do, and topic that you are fearful about, you have to face them. And when in the month of July and August you want to face them, we know that the confidence has gone already down, and then there is a problem. That's the reason I always do reverse approach. Try to do topics which are damn important. You like them, you don't like them, but you start with it. Because if you take care of topics, I can guarantee you, तुम्हारा score बनेगा, तुम्हारा IM का call short आएगा. Because that's the best way, that's the exact or right way to go ahead with this. Right now, so when you pick up the topic, you can decide like which one you want to pick up. Just to break the ice, you can start with something that you are really good at and then jump on essential topics. So when we begin our batches for the entire CAT preparation, my funda is very much clear. I'm going to give you the topics कि भाई ये topics तुम्हें आने ही चाहिए, and you have ample of time. Even if you are a non-engineer, even you are somebody who has not done any sort of mathematics from last 10 years or 5 years, it does not matter, because there are topics, they are formula oriented. Can we not do them in 6 to 7 months? We can do them aram se. We can do them, we can understand them, we can strategize them, we can revise them, and that's how we build our base very strong. यार सिंपल सी बात है. बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि कैट बहुत टफ है, but I'll tell you my personal experience. I have seen people from top-notch B schools being an engineer. I have seen them struggling with quants. I have also seen non-engineers struggling with quants. Vis-a-vis, I have also seen people, engineers struggling with verbal LRDI and all that thing. You know, one of my student, she's got 99.78. She is from IIT Delhi. Okay, she scored lesser percentile in quant than verbal. Can you believe that? Right? तो उनका जो स्कोर है मेरे ख्याल से she has scored around 99 percentile in quants. I think 98 के 99 के बीच में है वो, and she had scored 99.95 percentile in verbal, in VARC. So guys, again, this is what I want to tell you, that your strategic approach is really important. एक बारी आप topic wise कर लो, everything will be sorted. Now that's about your quant. Let's move towards verbal. अब verbal ability की जब बात आती है, reading comprehension की जब बात आती है, lot of people are like really scared कि सर VARC नहीं आता है, नहीं जमता है, पता नहीं English, मतलब I'm not good at English, I'm an engineer, I'm a non-engineer, मेरी reading habits नहीं है, all that stuff. See, that's okay, because in C2C Mentors, my entire approach towards verbal ability and reading comprehension is with the shortcuts. We apply shortcuts. There are so many free videos. You can check in the description. I have given so many videos. These are actual CAT RCs जो हमने shortcut से crack करे हैं. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. To give one more example, the same student 99.78 last year in 2018, she followed my videos. She was scoring around about 55 percentile. She was in one of the branded class. She scored 55 percentile just by following the videos for like last 1 month, like October and November. She scored 99 percentile in verbal in 2018 का CAT. Then she joined me 2019 का CAT. This year she is 99.78 overall and 99.95 in verbal. So guys, it's possible. मैंने वापस भी कहा कि रीडिंग नहीं होती है, that's okay. बोर होता है, that's okay. एक दो पैसेज पढ़ने के बाद नींद आती है. All these are normal things that can happen to everybody. Yeah, I understand. If you're a voracious reader, who like I have students, they have been reading from last 15 years. I really get flabbergasted when I meet them and when they say, "Sir, मैं 10th standard से पढ़ता हूँ." I'm like, dude, like amazing, because I really cannot read. I don't have that kind of patience, right? To be very honest. So in this case, shortcuts will work. So this is what I kind of train you guys. This is the way we have the entire module as far as your CAT is concerned. So जहाँ तक सवाल है आपके CAT का, as far as verbal is concerned, definitely थोड़ा बहुत reading would matter. But again, you would need those shortcuts. You would need those strategies: option elimination, selection of RC, selection of question, which question to be left, which question to be chosen. All these things will help you to optimize your score. Because 34 questions है आपके पास and you have only 60 minutes. उसमें आपको 5 RC पढ़नी भी है, parajumpal करनी भी है. My parajumpal accuracy, like anybody who is joining C2C Mentors, the parajumpal accuracy rate is going to be 100%. That's something we can tell you definitely. ये उतना तो बनेगा ही बनेगा आपका. आप quants करो, आप LRDI करो. If you're joining us right now, it gives me also a great opportunity to help you and make you prepare for it. Because we have the batch which is starting from 25th March. So we're going to start from a very basic level. Basic level मतलब we're also going to be talking about concepts. Concepts के बारे में बात करेंगे. टॉपिक की स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होगी उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. टॉपिक का वेटेज क्या होगा उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. ये टॉपिक कितना करना है, इसके शॉर्टकट्स क्या होंगे, कौन सा क्वेश्चन लेना है, कौन सा क्वेश्चन छोड़ना है, पूरे कैट के पेपर्स भी हम आपके साथ सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. So if you really want to join us, you can join us. Coming back to the verbal front, in verbal also we will be beginning with our verbal की lectures. These are not going to be workshops, these are going to be proper lectures where we will be building up your base. Same is applicable for LRDI. We will be doing lot of types of data interpretation and logical reasoning ke sets in the class. So if you want to join us live, you can join us live, because these are all live online lectures. They take place 9 to 11 in the night. So we have around about 2 to 3 lectures happening in a week's time. Because of this lockdown, Mumbai, Pune classrooms are not happening as of now. So if you really want to join Mumbai, Pune classroom, you can join us online right now. Time को utilize करो, जल्दी preparation start करो, and once the classroom session starts, you can definitely go back and start with the class lecture. So if you follow this funda, if you follow the entire strategy, and if you follow the advice, one iron call is a short thing. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. You've got 7 to 8 months in your hand. Huge time. Huge time. And it's not only CAT that we will be preparing you for. We will be preparing you for CAT, ZAT, NMAT, SNAP, CMAT, TIS and IFT. So you do it once, you do it for all. I will be making a couple of more videos on the same front. So if you want to join this live, wherein I will be taking live lectures in the night, you are most welcome to do so. You can call us on the number given there. If you want to buy the dashboard kind of a thing, जहाँ पे recorded videos already है, you can buy them. The link is given there also. Classroom session, as I've already told you. So guys, मेरे ख्याल से going topic by topic will actually help you. So if you're a repeater or if you're somebody who want to go for CAT first time, you can certainly get in touch with us. There's a Telegram group that I have given you the link. You can join that. You can shoot me questions. WhatsApp group is also there. You can ask me a lot of questions if you want to. Anything pertinent to your CAT preparation. And along with that, we will also be helping you for group discussion. Because खाली call लाना is not important. You have to convert that call. So we will be taking care of your group discussion and your, GD, VAT, PI plus your profile building also. So joining early can help you guys to actually make it to IIMs. And no, I'm not kidding. Go and speak to your students. Go and speak to your friends जिनका IIM call 1 या 2 percentile से बचा है. मतलब नहीं हुआ. ना 1 या 2 marks से they missed it. It feels bad. And that's the reason it's quite important that you join early. Because as I said, like if you join early, it gives you a lot of time to revise, to take little breaks, to kind of stay away from your studies. Because June, July में वो time आएगा when you will be a little bit away from your studies, right? And cut to cut हम नहीं चल सकते. कि यार इतने दिन में मुझे यही करना है, इतने दिन में यही नहीं किया तो होगा नहीं. You don't want to be in that position. So you want to relax, give your best time to your studies. आराम से relax होकर फिर preparation करोगे. Trust me, getting an IIM course is not at all difficult. Okay, so guys, with this note, I just want to tell you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And to be very honest, in my channel, like on this channel, C2C Mentors, you will always you will get a content which is real, practical, doable, and a content which will definitely help you to crack. That's for sure. I will never be telling you something which is fake, which is kind of, banal-fied kind of things. I will never do that. You can check my all videos. My strategies work fantastically well for my students. So trust me, if you're really looking for a content which can help you to crack CAT and other exams, or which can help you to get into your dream big school, kindly subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to it. If you want to join us, call on the numbers given there. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much, guys.